Young Metro, don't trust you, I'm gonna shoot you.
Hey, my love. So this is going to be a really quick, and then we're going to get into the install. I just want to thank everyone over there at Tinashe Hair Company for sending me this beautiful body wave 16-inch 13x4 Swiss lace frontal lace unit. It is beautiful. It's gorgeous. I'm extremely in love. I love the way it touches, the way it feels, and everything. It will be a link down below to purchase this unit, so I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope you guys enjoy the install. So without further ado, there you go.
In store, but you know what you're here for. Close your eyes, lay your side beside me.